I feel it in my bones, guys. I have that tingle and that urge to go thrifting. So welcome to a brand new trip to the Thrift. This one might be a little shorter than normal, but that's because I left my house halfway through editing a video. And y'all know I try and get this content out as much as possible, but we're in the streets of Houston. So let's get to the first store and see what's up.
Being wrecking boys, having haters throwing up. Being wrecking boys, having haters throwing up. Being wrecking boys, having haters throwing up. I got to get paid.
All right, guys, so we're live in Salvation Army, and I was on the way to another store. There's just so much in here. I have to show y'all what's good real quick. Now, I came in here just for pure home decor allure, trying to find some stuff to spice up my crib with, but in the clothing section, amidst rows of pants, we got two beautiful Fila Flamers, this little new school Fila tee. It's nice, it's only $2, why not? And then you have this amazing vintage Fila, black on black with the white cufflets. This thing is $6. I shot that boy Drizzy, you know what time it is. And then there are a couple more just amazing pieces. I got the Tommy Jeans Deadliest Catch swag. This is a Tommy girl piece, so for all of you beautiful young shawties, and it has the Tommy flag enveloped in the zippers. The color blocking is just absolutely outstanding on that dude. Lemon outskirts. And then this piece right here, this is a grail. This was in the women's section, and literally, guys, I just started looking at my cart and I was like, yo, I might as well capture this footage for y'all. But check it out. You have Noah's Ark, all knit crocheted. Grandmother was putting in work, literally knitted by hand by the Northern Isle. Shout out all those people just low-key locked up in that tower on that island. That's some real sweatshop shit. This is amazing though. Cheetahs, lions, elephants, giraffes. And then last and not least, in terms of apparel, you got that Lubrax, that flamingo Brazilian Nike soccer jersey. Again, low price of $6. Now, this stuff I really want to show y'all that is just for the home decor is this piece right here. You guys know I try and be as plant-based as possible. You got the Greg Brown / Club Veg right here. So yeah, you have these veggies big chilling, mixing the olive oil with the water. Hold up, stroke my cactus. It's lit. Carrots, onions, potatoes, cucumbers, turnips. Bro, this is just a cool piece. My bedroom personally is styled with a bunch of like vegetables and plants and all that, so that'll look nice in there, or I guess vegetation, not vegetables. Also, nice little wicker basket trash can, hand woven. And then I have some lemon trees sprouting out of seeds that I'm going to put in these. So yeah, big shout out to Salvation Army for coming through. You guys know what time it is. Absolutely egregious finds already, but there are more blessings to be bestowed. So let's go check out the spot that I really want to hit today, which is the Family Thrift Outlet. All right, y'all, what's up and what is glorious? We're at the Family Thrift Outlet on Durham Drive. You guys know what time it is. This store opens every Friday, starting at $2, works its way down to 25 cents throughout the week. Nice. And I'm out here, that's upside down, styling with a reusable bag. Y'all know what time it is. Earth is my planet. Earth is my planet. And I'm trying to save it. Let's get inside and see what we can save on clothes. Oh, goal is at Byron in Munich. You got the Byron Munich jersey. T-Mobile sponsor, wish y'all know about that. Shoddy service here and there, but I am still a customer. Oh my God, look at this feral dog. Why are you so angry, brother? Oh, it's because you're lonely. What a shame. Hey, bro, you got that Sturgis? Yeah. Double-sided. I'm excited. This is newer, but I mean, I can't resist. First the wolf, now the rat. Dude, I am not liking the addictive personalities of some of these animals in this store. Designated drinker? You drive? Bro, getting slimed? This dude is absolutely schnoggered. That's a fire piece though. Oh, wow. Just me and my foreign Betty Bopper. Hey, if I had to with one animated character, she would be the one. Okay? Okay, and I'm sorry to my boo, don't get jealous, but I mean, Look at that. Even her dog has a Beretta. Bro, what the hell are these? They got Carhartt scrubs? Bruh, for when you're trying to do surgery on a damn carburetor. What the hell? Oh, they got that George Bush merch? That boy straight dodging shoes like nobody's business.
So what if the guy threw a shoe at me?
Backdoor with fake news? Speaking of the devil.
I tell you what, CNN should be ashamed of itself.
Wow, this piece of poultry has top-notch aviation skills. It's flying in front of a flag, in between a banner that's on fire? What an athlete. I'll be honest with you guys, not the biggest basketball fan, but if I was, this would be my squad. Bruh, just look at that. What, a hook shot? Are you joking me? Look at this tiger's pectorals. Flex my bicep, then I swole on. Yo, the trifecta's complete. Loki looks like he's dabbing. Let's see, do we got any other Tigger stuff right here? Oh. All right, this isn't Tigger. It is Mickey, and of course, my guy playing golf. My boy, Big Goof.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Why is he a caddy, though?
Hey, where you going with those clubs, punk?
Mr. Gilmore, I'm your caddy.
Wow, dude, this is amazing. Look at the chain stitching creating this bison. Talking about putting in work. My man Taz over here looking like a flamingo, that one-footed stance. Impeccable balance. Starboy? Browntown? Maybe. Oh, it's holiday season. That Mary stroked my cactus. It's lit. Wow, guys, I am all here for these textures. Look at that. Carolina Panthers, all embroidered. This thing high-key looks like a burlap sack for real, or at least it feels like it. And then it has the football players in the ribboning beneath the buttons. Come on, man. Classic Team NFL collection with the shoulder pads. Guys, do y'all see this, man? I swear they got all 3 of them in the building. Check it out, dude. Wait, hold on. We got, wait. Hold on, hold up. Bro, they got 1 million Harley shirts all packed up. Some biker just donated his whole collection. Look at this. It says fear no evil. Got Dumbledore turning the dark side. Bruh, 3D emblem, made in USA. Y'all know what time it is. Shadow Mountain, Cherokee, North Carolina. Look at this, another one, Cherokee, North Carolina. Dude, the all chain stitch bull is attacking the horse. Bruh, hold on, we gotta continue. Voodoo Lounge, downtown Daytona Beach. Look at that graphic. Hold on, the South is where it's at. Oh God, what's going on there, man? With Harley Davidson. Then look at this, Eagle just grabbing the logo. Crazy piece right here. Hanes Beefy, Hog Heaven Barbecue. That got a hole in it, but look at the graphic. Dude got the goggles on. He's ready to go snorkeling. Yo, low-key like them Caribbean pigs, you know what I'm saying, that the Instagram models take pics with? Yeah, I put some South in my mouth. Bars. I love when shirts rap at me. Then you got the ANUS, American National Unimotorcycle Society. Oh my God, bro. They're just stacked up. Another one. 3D emblem, 1988 Harley Tee. Wow. Guys, I gotta buy one, dude. I gotta get on one and skirt the fuck off, dude. Honestly, that's crazy. It's wavy. Shout out Family Thrift on Durham. Always coming through. Guys, you gotta be kidding me, bro. I've never in my life been in a store with this many motorcycle shirts. Oh my God, dude. One. Look at this, another one. The Eagle has landed. I think this is a 1986 Harley Tee. An eagle is munching on a sea serpent or just a dragon. Made in USA on the Hollowbeck tag. Oh my God, Denver, Colorado. Remember when sex was safe and motorcycles were dangerous? Oh my God, bro. I survived Daytona 88. Oh my God, bruh. I might be an old dog, but I can still bury a bone. What? Bro, this guy had the shirts on him. Oh my God. The graphics on these are just outstanding. Oh my God, keep America beautiful, put litter in its place. Harley Davidson. Dude, what are they throwing away? Yamahas? Bro, these shirts are amazing. Look at this, another Harley 3D emblem right here. Bike Week Daytona 86. Oh my God, bro. Dude, another Anus shirt. Look at this. I think all I might cop in here are Harley shirts, because this is just insane, guys. Insane. All right, guys, I'm about to jump out of this store, and real quick, I had to set up an alignment of the shirts before I go ahead and dip out of here, because this is insane. The value on some of these is extraordinary. Some of these are going to be staying with me, obviously, but a lot of them will probably be distributed to some of you guys as time goes on. Thrift.heavenvintage.com. You guys already know if y'all need the blessings, but just walk the line of this store with me and see all of these Harley tees and biker tees. This is absolutely, positively insane. Like, look at the depth. Oh my God. This is absolutely nuts. All right, guys, and we are out of there. I'm telling y'all, you guys have to stop by this store. Just look at the daily meal deals. So yeah, this pretty much is a breakdown of prices. So if you're in Houston, Texas, y'all know what time it is. Pull up, because all those shirts were a steal, and everything in here is a steal. You already know what time it is. Woo! And we back, baby. All right, guys. So first and foremost, today has been insane. I just want to give a big shout out to Family Thrift, #1 for never tripping on my ass going in their stores and recording. Low key, I roast them when I go in their regular stores and their prices are tripping. But then I also love going in the outlets to show y'all some of the crazy heat that they have. Now, there are about 2 outlets in my area of thrift roaming, but 7 in the city. So if you guys want really great deals, then definitely Google the damn outlets and check them out. But yeah, I want to go ahead and get into the pieces right now, because the pure amount of fire that I found today in terms of Harley Tees, I have never found. And I've been thrifting on YouTube from 2012 to now about 2020. So about 8 years, and it's the first time there's ever been this much biker heat in one location. So shout out the old man who just decided, hey, I'm gonna hop off my bike and start cruising in a 4-door or some shit. But anyways, let's get into these tees, and I'm gonna break down the prices, even though I don't think thrifting is all about the money. As Virgil said, bro, in a recent article, that he believes fashion is moving away from the box stores, away from fucking streetwear and just new screen printed pieces, and onto the old, because everyone wants to look unique, especially for cheap or just to have that really rare piece. So we got some rare pieces, and we're gonna break down the prices. Let's do it. So getting into these pieces, man, we're gonna start off with all the 3D emblems, which are Harley shirts from like the 80s. Now, all the ones I got pretty much range from 85, I think, to 89. But basically, man, these range from about $50 to $300 on the highest end. That's just a variation of the price points. Now, graphic definitely matters. Subject matter matters, to be redundant. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it in the middle to like conservative end of saying each one of these is about $100. I've seen some go for more, but honestly, I picked out some dope ass graphics. There were probably like 25 vintage like biker tees in that bitch too. But yeah, so you got the eagle looking lethal on this shirt right here. It is double-sided, so I'm excited. Now this shirt is probably one that would not bring in the Skrilla, because it has a Confederate flag on it. Now some of you Southern motherfuckers might be like, dude, it's Southern pride, bro. Honestly, dude, come on, Brett. Let's just keep it 100. Low-key, some racist ass motherfuckers be repping the Confederate flag, all right? But I do feel like someone such as Ye could use the flag and basically assign it a new meaning and rock it to empower themselves. So that's kind of why I picked it up. I'm not here to get political, but let's be real. If you racist in 2020, 2019, 2020, what the fuck are you doing, boy? Yeah. Anyways, getting back into some other tees, you got this beautiful eagle. This is a 1986 Daytona Beach tee. The graphic is swagtastic on this boy right there. Now this next tee has one of the craziest graphics, so I could see this fetching a little bit of a higher price, but we're still gonna keep it at about $100 because this eagle is freaking munching on a dragon. What the hell? Like, that should be worth it about a damn $1 million, bro, because that's just rare mythology happening on that shirt. So we're gonna say all of those are about $350 together. Now this shirt right here, I'm gonna say it's a good net 100. This one is the Harley Davidson trash truck. It has a pocket on it with the Kawasaki's, Yamahas, and other crotch rockets. It does have some holes on the back, which is honestly just like patinaing, if that's a word, the shirt to perfection. And then last and not least, because this is probably the most heat Harley shirt we got, is this beautiful Dumbledore looking shirt on another 3D emblem, Shadow Mountain with the eagle on the back. Holy hell, that is a nuts garment. So yeah, about $550, bro, just off those 6 tees, which is wild. And we have a small pile of a few more shirts. So I got 13 Harley shirts in general. And then I think I picked up like 4 other pieces in the store, but we'll say each one is 30, right? So 30, what we got? The anus shirt, bruh, 60. And these are probably worth between, again, 20 and $100, but I'm just trying to keep it on the lower end. You have the Last Resort biker tee right here, so that's 90. Woo! Okay, so there were 2 of these shirts. I left one in the store just because there are a lot of thrifters in the city, and honestly, if I get one gym, I'm not gonna double up in the outlets, bro, especially when I'm in there to create some dope content. I like showing off what they got, but I don't necessarily get everything because, you know what, bruh, I'm trying to put some food in other people's mouths too. You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, this piece is amazing. Another 30. I think we're at like 120 for those tees. A cool 150. 180. This one definitely would go for more though, because the graphic is just insane on that. And then we have the $210 with this long sleeve eagle tee. So 210 plus 550 is 760, and that is basically the amount of monetary accumulation that could be made out of these tees. So I think, bro, I mean, you could get 500 from them all, or you could get about 1,000 for them all. I mean, those are like the ranges. It just depends on how quick you're trying to move them or how long you're trying to sit on them. But damn, I just want to say today has been epic again. In all my time of thrifting, I've never found this many crazy biker tees in one place. So shout out the old man who donated those tees. Shout out you guys for always supporting, and shout out the Family Thrift Outlet for fucking with your boy. I really do appreciate it. I do promote for them, so that's why I do put on for the outlets so heavy, is because they show love to me, so I gotta show love back. You already know what time it is. But yeah, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. Until next time, baby, I'm locked and loaded. Check out thriftheavenvintage.com for the gear. We got a ton of it hitting the site this weekend, as well maybe a couple of these shirts, the ones that I don't keep. Christmas special dropping soon. Peace out, and I'll see y'all next time. We gone.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.